With a brilliant and attractive appearance, chili fruits are often round, long or pyramidal, in shape with many bright colors. Each fruit pepper grows from a strong tree branch, bringing a lively and dynamic feel to the natural picture. A notable point in the dosing and packaging process is that it is performed automatically and accurately, minimizing errors and increasing efficiency. The use of automatic equipment such as this line not only helps increase productivity but also ensures accuracy and uniformity in the production process. De-stem remover or de-stem machine makes cherry processing simpler and more efficient. Not only does it help remove inedible parts quickly and accurately, fruit processing is a complex and delicate process requiring thoroughness and high expertise from preparation, processing to packaging. Specialized machinery and equipment not only help optimize the production process but also ensure the final product achieves high quality and food safety. Have you enjoyed its unique flavor with fruit jam? Each piece of jam will bring you a feeling of refreshment and satisfaction. In addition, it is also a great choice as a gift on special occasions. How is pineapple juice made? Pineapple juice production technology at the factory is a careful process from selecting fresh pineapples to packaging the final product. At the same time, you will receive pineapple juice that is fresh, nutritious and safe to use.